Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SoftAcademy. In this video tutorial channel, I uploads main videos on Oracle different technologies like Oracle SQL, that is structured query language, Oracle PLSQL, that is PLSQL programming, Oracle forms and reports development. Also, this is called Developer 2000 or D2K. Oracle database architecture and database design, Oracle database administration, and also Unix shell scripting. So all these modules of different modules on Oracle and Unix technologies, I have already uploaded many videos as you see in my screen. So you just watch each video if you want to learn Oracle and Unix from the very basic to the advanced level. Because in each video I have described each topic in detail, so that you can understand it well with the hands-on practical. And whoever want to learn Oracle and whoever want to make their career in Oracle technology or Unix technology, they can just start from learning from the very basic concept about the DBMS. There are many videos on SQL, that is structured query language. There are many videos on Oracle PLSQL programming as you see in my screen, collection, arrays, cursors, exceptions, then materialized views, then many videos like PL/SQL records, explain plan, then these are the complete video for SQL, this is the complete video for PLSQL, and this is the complete video for Unix fundamental and shell programming. So like this you have you can see all the videos for Oracle different kind of modules like SQL. On SQL module there are different videos, on PLSQL modules there are many topics. I have uploaded videos on here, so you just watch all the videos from the start to the end. Whichever videos you just watch it from the beginning to the end, so that you can understand it well in detail and also with hands-on practicals. Okay, and also I have uploaded many videos on Oracle interview questions and answers. As you see in my screen, there are very many videos on important in interview questions and answers which have been asked in any kind of Oracle interview to the candidate. The candidate may be fresher or maybe 4 5 years experiences, or maybe 15 or 20 years experiences, whatever the experience is. This question may face the candidate whenever he is applying for a job or he is sitting for an interview. Okay, the recruiter can ask these questions. So these are very important questions. As you see, difference between procedure, function, delete, truncate, table and view, row num and row ID, and union all. And I have shared 15 interview tips. You can just watch this all the tips and you can apply it. If you can apply it, you just make a comment below in your future interview. And also I have added more videos on different topics on PLSQL, some topics like statistics, that is database administration concept, and I have explained it detail in this video. And other videos like dual table, about dual table, this is the interview part 2, part interview tips part 2. And out and some followers or my subscribers have asked many questions after watching my video, so I also upload the video on that topic which the follower have doubt on that. So some followers have asked some questions, they have some doubts, so I have made some videos on that, different topics. Like this is the one topic on cursors, and there are other videos like yeah, you can see Oracle DBA topics, that is how to export data from how to export data from database to the CSV file, how to export data from the database to the Excel file. And this is the my Oracle SQL professional online training course, complete detail whatever the content I deliver. And other videos like difference between type, percentage row type, table collections. This is the one follower have been asked this question, so I have made a video on that and uploaded here for your learning. And this is the implicit and explicit cursor differences, and this is the very much concept which is the basic needs to be a database developer. That is database normalization. You have to have a solid concept on database normalization if you want to work with Oracle database or any kind of database. So I have described everything about database normalization, what are the purposes, what are the techniques here, and differences between exist and non-exist operator. You can see difference between count star, count1 and count column name. And there are other videos like Oracle growth and opportunities. If you start to make your career in Oracle platform or Oracle development, what would be your career growth, what can be your career growth, what are the opportunities in today's market, in the job market. You can just watch this video, you can understand it well. Okay. And there are videos for virtual columns, Oracle date manipulation, how we can manipulate various types with on the date, how we can manipulate date in various types in Oracle. So I have also uploaded videos for Oracle forms and reports development. Already 7 parts I have been uploaded here. From the beginning you have just watch this out. If you want more part, I will definitely upload more parts on it. Just watch each of the video from the start to the beginning, and if you have any doubt, just make comment over below the video. And if you like the video, just give a like. If my video was useful for your learning, or if my video have added some value to your learning, just give a like, and also subscribe my channel so that you can get a notification when I upload the next video, and you can learn from my video and make your skill. Okay. And also you can just share my video with your friends, colleagues, and to them who you know. My channel name, whatever the channel name is, SoftAcademy, my channel name. So if you just search for SoftAcademy in Google, you can just find it out, and or you can just share the link of this video. This is the link. You can just share my channel name or video link to your friends, colleagues, so that they can also start learning from my videos and make their skill and grow their skills. So okay. So this is regarding my YouTube channel. Who watching this video new, who are watching new in this video, so I have to introduce about my channel and about me. So these are all about my channel I have described shown till now. And about me, I am a senior Oracle consultant. My name is Rabin, and I am a senior Oracle consultant, as well as technical and corporate trainer, and also interviewer. So I have total of 17 years of experiences working with different Oracle technologies, as I already described, and also Unix technologies. And I'm providing training on different Oracle and Unix technologies on around 10 years. Last 10 years I am providing this training to many candidates who are job seekers, who are joined in a company, and they have required the training. So companies, I am providing training on different companies to their employees, and also some experienced people who are maybe working in some other project and shifted to the Oracle projects. They require the training, so I provide the training for experienced people also in companies. And if you want to join my separate online training session, you can just contact over me. I provide complete training on SQL, PL/SQL programming, then Oracle forms and reports development, Oracle database architecture and design, Oracle database administration, Oracle performance tuning, and also Unix sales programming and scripting. Okay, so if you want to join my online training session, you just message me in this number, whatever mentioned in the about page. There are this number is the WhatsApp number. You can just message me. I will reply back on your message. And if you want more detail, or you can just message me, or you can just email me in this email ID, that is robin2008@gmail.com. okay, so you can just message or email me if you want to know more about any of my courses which I described, which I already told you. I provided training on all those technologies on Unix and Oracle. So if you want to join my training, you can message or email me. I will give a reply, and there is a short process. After the completion of the process, you can just join my online interactive training sessions, and these are completely interactive training sessions, and these are not the pre-recorded videos. So you can ask many various questions on my live training sessions, and you can just clear your doubt. Okay, so these are all about my channels and about my introduction. And today I'll going to discuss one new topic, which is analytic function. Okay, Oracle analytic function. Okay, so today's topic I'll discuss in today's video. I'll discuss about Oracle analytic functions. So the topics which I cover in this video is what is analytic functions, number 2 is how to use analytic functions, and number 3 is application of first value analytic function. This is very important, analytic functions. So these are also very important question you maybe face in an interview. What is analytic function, and give any example of analytic function, how it works like this. Okay, so I'll completely describe, and I'll completely discuss about this, what is analytic function, how to use analytic function, and what is the first value analytic function, and how we can use it. Okay, or how we can apply in our application. Okay, Oracle application. Okay, so what is analytic function? So analytic function does not analytic function basically one function which do not group the record sets, but it returns the multiple values with each of the record. Okay, it returns the multiple values with each of the record. Okay, and all it basically analytic function basically do not group the record set. I am repeating it. Analytic function do not group the result set. They return the group value multiple times. Okay, they return the group value multiple times with each record. Okay, so analytic function it is very important. You have to explain it to your recruiter or interviewer who will ask you this question, what is analytic function. So I am repeating again, analytic function do not group the result set. They return the group value multiple times with each record. Okay, and any other non-group columns or expressions can be present in select clause. Okay, so this is the definition of analytic functions, or what is analytic function, and how to use analytic function. So analytic function will be used with a over clause, always with a over clause. Okay, So in any select statement, if you use the analytic function, you have to use a over clause. So we'll see how we can use the analytic function, and what is the first value analytic function. First we have to understand what is the first value analytic function. So first value analytic function will pick up the first value from a partition of records. Okay, so I repeat again, first value analytic function will pick up the first value from the partition of records. Okay, so I am just going to in practical, so that you can understand it well. So I have opened the SQL star plus. So SQL prompt, I am in SQL prompt now, and we have a table that is EMP table. Now just I can see the records from EMP table. So I'll show you here EMP number, EMP name, job, manager ID, hire date, sal, and commission, and department number. Okay, values are there, and there are 17 records. Okay, so now I will show you for each department what is the minimum salary. Okay, and you have to we have to show with all the records with the minimum salary. Okay, if I ask you, if your interviewer asks you what is the minimum salary for each department, we can easily find out it by the group by function, right? So I can write select department number, then min or max salary of the salary column from employee EMP, and group by department. Okay, so that we can find out minimum and maximum salary from each department. This is very easy. Okay, but whatever analytic function do is, analytic function returns the minimum. Analytic function can return in this case the minimum and maximum value with the other record details. Okay, but group by function will not get the other record details. Okay, we have to just group on department number, and we have to just fetch the department number and salary. That's all. But in analytic function you can show whatever the other details also, like EMP name, EMP number, and whatever the details also with the department number and minimum and maximum salary for each department. Okay, so let's start with the practical. I can show you the practical how I can do it. So whatever my question I'm going to solve is, I want all the employee information with the department, and with each department I want to see the minimum and maximum salary. Okay, so this is my requirement. Okay, so now this has to be solved by analytic function first value. Now let's see how I can do it. So I can write the query like select EMP number, ename, job, MGR, and then I can write commission, then I can write DPTNO. Okay, and now I'll make first value first. First I'll use the first value analytic function on salary. Okay, because I have to pick up minimum and maximum salary. Okay, and department for each department. Okay, so first value I will use first value analytic function on salary, and as I told earlier, if I use a analytic function, I have to use a over clause. So over, so partition by, so I'll use a clause partition by deptno. So I have to extract the minimum and maximum salary in each partition of department number. Okay, so partition by department number, and if I make it order by cell. Okay, so that will be fine. And as I'll name it department lowest salary. Okay, right, department lowest salary. Okay, this is the department lowest salary, and in the similar way I'll find the department highest salary like this. I'll use the same analytic function first value of salary cell over partition by department number dptno order by cell, and this time I'll use DSC so that it will pick up the max value. Okay, and I'll name it as department highest cell, dpt highest cell. Okay, from emp. That's all. So let's run the query. Let's see. So I misspelled the partition here, so that's why it is showing. So here partition ti, and let's see, running. Okay, first value invalid identified, first first, so I misspelled again the first value, so just I have to correct it. first, and the next one is first. It is all right. Okay, let's see. Yes, it is showing very nice in output. So see here, I can see every employee record with the department number, and each department also in the order, in department number also in order, that is 10, 20, 30. Okay, department number is also showing in order, and each department I can get the lowest salary, that is 1300, and for the 10th department I can get the lowest salary, that is 1300, and the highest salary is 1500. Okay, and you can match it with your employee table. I'm not going or I can show you select star from emp. Yes, you can see for 10th department it is the one salary, and 10 department 1300, and there is a salary 300. Okay, so 300 is the max, 500 is the max, so there is another record, will be 500 salary. So where it is, yes, this is here 500, and minimum is 1300. Okay, fine, understand. So I can show you, I can get the department lowest salary and department highest salary for each department. For 10th department lowest salary is this, department highest salary is this, and for 20th department lowest salary is 800 and highest salary is 4000. Okay, 30 department lowest salary is 950 and highest salary is 3500 or 3500, right? So I think this output is very nice output, and you can see the lowest and highest value with the other details. Okay, so this is the beauty of analytic function. And first value is very important. Analytic function, with the first value we can get this type output, and we can apply it in our application. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. I think you have understand all the points. I have described all the points, okay, one by one. So that's all for this tutorial session. If you like this tutorial, just give a like. If it was useful for your learning, and if this video is have added some value to your learning, just give a like and subscribe my channel, so that whenever I upload my next video, you'll get a notification. And also share this video with your friends and colleagues with my channel name or the video link, so that they can understand, they can learn from my video, and also they can make it their skills and grow their skill. Okay, so that's all. And if you want to join my online session, you can just contact me over WhatsApp number or email, as I shown you earlier. After a small process, you can just directly join my interactive online training session. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial video. And just give a like if my video have added some value to your learning. Subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and colleagues. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much for watching my video, and bye.